Hi, this is Andy from Vehicle Fit, just showing you what we've done to this Transit. Beautiful Euro 6.2 Transit Custom Limited. So, as we all know, windows are a bit of a pain on these. There's no one touch. So this van has had an additional window module we fitted, which we've also linked to the StarLine S96 alarm. So now, to roll your windows up, all you have to do is just press the button once and you'll get dual window roll up, one touch. I'll show you that again. So let's just wind them down. You've only got sort of one touch on the driver's side. The left hand side is manual. So again, just one quick flick. I'll just show you that in shots. There you go, one press, dual window roll up. What else have we done? We've linked it into the alarm as well, so if you do get out the vehicle you can control the mirrors and the windows when you lock the van. So just check everything behind. Beautiful van this. I don't know what he's done to this paintwork, but it's like glass. So yeah, arm in the van now will give you dual mirror fold and dual window roller. And the mirror fold on this is not affected by locking and unlocking the van. It stays shut. So unlocking the van, locking the van doesn't do anything. It's only when you start the van and you're ready to go that the mirrors will fold out. There we go. That's StarLine S96 with dual window roll up, dual mirror fold, supplied and installed by Vehicle Fit in the West Midlands. Thank you. Just show you once more.
Said to put under 75 and they only give me 200.
Thanks very much. There you go. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye bye.